Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to schedule WhatsApp message on Android. So open your Play Store and one app you will be download the schedule app auto text reply. So I will already download it. So open it. So click to message scheduler. So once you will open the first one message schedule. So accessibility service, so click to agree and enable accessibility and click to contacts and choose the contacts from your WhatsApp. So I will choose randomly one contact, so it will be added on the schedule app. So skip the ad and now type the message of good morning. Whenever you are not available, this app will automatically send message from the time you will select it and date you will select it. So I type the message template like good morning in every morning. So I will choose random time like 10 a.m. So I will set to the 10 a.m. and the date, and you will also change the date. So you can change the date also from the next day like 20 April. So click to tick. So this is how to schedule a message on Android. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.